Black bears. Big, strong black bears are powerful animals. Most black bears have a lovely black coat with a light brown nose. They're a medium-sized bear that are smaller than grizzly bears, but bigger than a panda bear. They have sharp claws in their paws, which are great for climbing, and can be found in the forests of North America, Mexico, and Canada. In winter, black bears hibernate. This is when they sleep all winter, living off stored body fat from eating lots and lots. Black bears eat almost anything, from berries and fruit to salmon, small animals, and food they come across, which means they're omnivores, like humans. They use their sensitive noses to smell food or other bears. Most black bears live alone, which means they are solitary animals. Cute baby bears are called cubs. They have great mums that look after them when they're little. Aren't black bear mums great? Oops, it's difficult to walk in the snow. Can you crawl like a black bear cub? Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.